In this video, we will be showing the best way to support an indeterminate tomato plant. This method is called the string trellising method. The supplies that we will be using are these tomato hooks, which is a single piece of wire bent in the shape that has hooks in both ends and a space in between to wrap the twine. They are often referred as V-hooks or tomahawks. We would need some garden stake pins and then these tomato clips. These clips normally come in the bag of 100 and they are very inexpensive. I have left a link in the description section for all these supplies. The indeterminate tomato plant is a vine that can grow up to 6 to 8 feet. Hence, they need good support system in order to grow. To set up a hanging string trellis, start with tall T-posts driven into the ground every 8 feet. Then have conduit pipes between the posts. We have a detailed video on how to set up this trellis using basic supplies available in most garden stores. To make it easy to attach the tomahawks to the conduit pipe, we have attached these rings using a zip tie. Once the tomato plant is about 1 feet tall, it's ready for the trellising. First step is to insert a garden stake pin around the stem of each plant. Next, hang one end of the tomahawks to the conduit pipe at every point where a vine will be suspended, and then tie the other end to the garden stake pin. If not using a garden stake pin, you can tie the bottom end of the string directly to the plant, but it is important not to make the knot at the base of the plant too tight because it would cut into the plant as it grows. Next, we will be using the tomato trellis clips to attach the string. Tomato trellis clips are designed to bite into the string securely, but to gently encircle the vine stalk. Now the best location to install the clip is underneath each leaf. This location allows the leaf to grow without any obstruction. As you see, it's very easy to install them. Once clipped on, the clip is held securely on the string and there is no pressure on the vine stalk. Attach a tomato trellis clip underneath each main leaf. As the vine keeps growing, attach new clips and continue supporting the plant. The tomahawks can release about 7 inches of twine each time it is turned over. This system will allow the plants to grow up in a single leader on the twine. As the plant grows, it allows us to lower and lean the hooks for heavier producing vine crop varieties. The tomato hook hanging string methods are very popular with greenhouse growers. They are strong and conveniently allow the vines to be lowered and leaned, since these vines may outgrow their vertical space in a greenhouse. This method increases productivity and keeps plants healthier. Proper pruning facilitates airflow, which reduces pests and the opportunity for fungal issues to take hold. We have a dedicated video on how to prune the indeterminate tomato vines. In the past, we have used cages and stakes, but this string method is the best method for indeterminate tomato vines. This setup is very strong. It holds the weight of the fruits and the entire vine throughout the growing season. In our opinion, this is the best way to support the tomato vines, particularly the indeterminate ones. Hope this video was helpful and happy gardening!